Was only Uddhav Thakere's luggage checked during one of the election rallies? Because now a visual has emerged of Minister Nitin Gadkari's baggage and luggage and the chopper being checked by the election officials ahead of his visit too. This was again in Maharashtra, where the elections are set to take place. And this is Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways. Nitin Gadkari's helicopter was being checked by the election officials. This happened in Latur when he arrived for a campaign. The development also comes amid already the checks that were done of Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray, and this, remember, led to a sharp reaction, retorts by Uddhav Thackeray saying, "Are you only checking my luggage? Will you check for Modi and Shah? And you outsiders will now check our luggages too." So BJP had jumped at Uddhav Thackeray over this, saying everybody's luggage has been checked. It's a part of a security protocol. But the fact also remained that it was only Uddhav Thackeray's video that had surfaced. So there was definitely evidence that Uddhav Thackeray's luggage had been checked, to which he had criticized, saying that why is it that only we are facing these stringent checks and not anymore. But these are the visuals of Nitin Gadkari's chopper being checked. Just to tell you, why do Election Commission officials do it? It's the Model Code of Conduct is in place, and therefore they need to ensure that no sort of cash, gifts or anything that's not allowed is being taken by the leaders. But the BJP therefore using this video now of Nitin Gadkari, and we'll confirm the date also of it in just a short while for you. The BJP is saying Fadnavis bags were checked, he did not cry. Other leaders of the BJP, senior leaders, luggage and helicopters are being checked. They didn't have to say anything. Look at this visual. This is again a visual of a BJP leader, and we are told most likely Devendra Fadnavis' luggage that is being checked as well, and checked not just in terms of the electronic security, but it looks like the officials are opening it, checking it for any kind of items inside. So the BJP is using all of this to counter. Now they have a video for video as evidence. Let's listen in to what was said.
आणि म्हणून बंधू भगिनींनो, रडणारे नाही, लढणारे आपल्याला हवे आहेत, आणि लढणारे तुमच्या समोर आहेत, आणि रडणारे रोज रडतात. बॅगा तपासल्या त्या रडणाऱ्यांना मागे राहू द्या आणि लढणाऱ्यांसोबत उभे राहा. मी तर तुम्हाला सांगायला आलो आहे, आमच्या सुलभाताई या ठिकाणी एकट्या नाही आहेत, त्यांच्या पाठीशी आज देवा भाऊ आहे. अरे सुलभाताईला निवडून द्या.
I want to bring in Vidya now. Vidya, so it didn't take long before the BJP also came with video for video counter evidence. But tell me first about Nitin Gadkari, if you have a confirmation. Is this a recent video? In the sense, is it after Uddhav Thackeray, before it, somewhere around that this video has surfaced?
The BJP certainly wants to counter the allegations that are being leveled by Uddhav Thackeray. That saying that Modi's bags are not checked, Fadnavis and other leaders' bags are not checked. This is basically a video that has emerged now. And also BJP Maharashtra has also posted on social media about Devendra Fadnavis' video, bags being checked, wherein almost every cloth and every document is being taken out. Every bag that he was carrying was opened up, and every item taken out. So certainly this is a counter reply only to what Uddhav Thackeray had been alleging.
Tell me now, Fadnavis' video also has said, and this looks like at the airport, where despite, I'm sure him having a VIP status, his luggage also is being checked. All right, we'll go across to Vidya in just a short while. So it's video for video counter evidence that's come in. Vidya, thank you very much for now. So this is the latest that's happening right now. The BJP is mocking Uddhav Thackeray, saying that he was whining, they alleged, over just a luggage check.